Hey guys, happy Monday. This is Countman from Trade for Freedom. We're going to do some stock reviews, but before that, please have a look at our disclaimer for the next 3 seconds. Okay, so today let's have a look. First and foremost, let's have a look at SPY. Okay, SPY, as I mentioned this before, is in a diamond pattern right now, so full of manipulation. And look at this, guys. We've called this. We mentioned that the expanding diagonal is here. Please be careful. And true enough, all this manipulation happened, So now we are expecting price to break towards the upside. Again, I'll say this, once it breaks the expanding diagonal plus the trend line over here, be cautious because this again might be a fake out and might come back down for a bigger expanding diagonal. So let it, if I were to be bullish, which I am bullish on SPY, I would expect the price to break up and make a correction, okay? A shallow correction, like a bull flag, before getting in on the trade towards the upside, okay? So I would expect to get in here rather than to get in here on this breakout because this is still a bit tricky for SPY. So pay attention to SPY. It's bullish overall. We're expecting the price to get up to 770 over here, okay? So next stock we're going to look at is CRWV, CRWV. CRWV. Let me see what's CRWV doing. Okay, CRWV is finding its bottom. Okay, so on the bigger picture, it's just an impulsive wave and then it's correcting into a wave two. Okay, so currently you can see CRWV. You have many channels. So you have a channel down, then you have a channel up, and then you have a bearish channel on the way down. Okay, let me remove all of this. Bearish channel on the move down. So let's pay attention only to this move down. Okay. So it's finding its bottom right now. CRWV is trying to find its bottom towards the bottom of the trend line, and then it's going to try to make this move towards the upside. So is the door open for the price to go up? Not yet. So we're expecting the price to further drop down, and exactly how far would it drop down? Let's have a look, okay? Okay, the door is open on the 12 hours chart. So it's around here actually. So now the price is rejecting. Can slightly adjust. This is not like 100% at that price, but it's more of a range, okay? So long story short, I would say around the 85 to 90 mark at the bottom of the trend line. If the door were to be open on the way up, then I would expect CRWV to start pushing up, okay? So that's CRWV for you. Next, we've got Tesla. Okay, Tesla now it's in the bearish channel. It's making a move up. There's a door open. I mentioned this live on Zoom. So door was open on the 4-hour chart, and we expected Tesla to at least reach 395 to 400, which it did. Okay. So if there's no door on the way down, we are expecting Tesla to go up and test the upper part of the channel, which is about 413 to 417. This is the average price. Okay, the upper part of the trend line or the channel. So right now, Tesla looks like it's going up. No sign of it going down. There's very little resistance. So we shall see in the next couple of hours or a couple of days. Before we move on, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. If you have not already created an account, please do. You have a lot of value inside. You've got the sector heat maps. You can see which industries are doing well. Click on it. You show you the top 10 stocks, top, in terms of performance. You have top movers of the day. You have upcoming events according to the priority, whether it's high, medium, or low. You have your own watch list where you can add your own tickers. And then it's updated in real time. Okay, so even when trading view prices don't move, it moves on our website. Join our Discord. We post a lot of stuff there, and upgrade to VIP if you see what you like. And also, we are launching our, hopefully in 2 weeks' time, our scalping / swinging strategy, and we'll post those setups on Discord as well. So make sure you join our Discord. Okay, back to the stocks. Let's have a look at DKNG, DraftKings. Oh, DraftKings, they have a lot of advertisement behind them. Okay, DraftKings basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. So it's a big one wave. Did it go past? So it made a very low correction. Now it's on the way up, on the way down. So basically, DraftKings is not a bullish stock, okay? It's basically a range stock, and now it's got a massive head and shoulders pattern over here. And it broke towards the downside. Okay, so this is the head and shoulders if you guys cannot see. So this is the left shoulder, the neckline, the head, come back to the neck, right shoulder, and then it's breaking down like this. So we're expecting price to further push down for DraftKings. Okay. Is the door open towards the downside? Yeah, it's open towards the downside. So we're still expecting DraftKings to continuously make a move towards the downside. It's still holding. Okay, this area at $25 is still holding. So if it breaks and closes below this 24.61 on the weekly candle, then it's almost certain that the price will further drop down. But it's still holding. So currently it's sideways. So we'll wait and see for now. Then we have DRAM, Roundhill Memory ETF. It's not much data. Okay, so when you have a chart like this, I always like to use the harmonic added wave. So you have like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we consider this a wave 1 with a bullish pattern. So we're expecting a correction down to about the $50 mark with an A. Probably this is a flat correction, A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 waves down towards point C. So if there's any chance of the price going up, you're expecting price to retrace down to about the $50 mark before making a push upwards to the all-time high to test $81. Okay. Next, we've got AVGO. Okay, AVGO, let's have a look. Let me remove all this. So, okay, AVGO is a bit tricky, okay, because we're in no man's land right now. The only support will be here. Not to say it's the strongest support, okay, but it's at least something. So price currently it's on its move down. Also on the daily with 1, 2, 3. So let's say if we want to see where the price will go, this is a bit tricky, okay, guys. We're expecting price to come down to about the $300 mark for now. Okay, I think $300 mark would be the price that everybody would maybe deem, psychological a round figure. Maybe it's cheap or expensive, we will see. So we're still expecting the price to come a bit lower to about around, I would say anywhere between 330 and 300. Okay, so we have got a range here for price to come down and test this area. And this area is not to say really strong. Okay, it's okay. It's only okay. So I think 300 to 320 will be the price that it will come down to. It's like a magnet now because this is empty here. It's in no man's land right now. So it's just continuously going to push down. That's what we see for now. So last one is Apple. Let's see what's happening with Apple. Okay, Apple, as mentioned this before, it's a strong resistance now, broke out the resistance, coming to test back as the support. Okay, let's see. We've got a cup and handle that we've pointed out before. So it's coming back to the resistance becomes support. Let's see. Okay, the door is not open yet towards going to the upside, but they're finding some sort of support around this 275 mark. So to confirm whether it will go up even more, we have to wait and see because the door is not open yet. So currently it's trying to head back down one more time. So let's see. If it hits back down, it probably try to make a double bottom if it were to go back up, or it will try to come down a bit, grab liquidity before trying to go back up. If this area were to hold. If not, then it will probably drop further down to test a lower point of support, which is around this area, around the 250 mark. Okay, so that's Apple. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Please like, follow, share, subscribe to our YouTube, X channel, Discord, create an account on our website, tradeforfreedom.co, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Ciao.